Big Window, Friends and Family, 2412 Truman. Friends and Family Collision. Phone number 816-483-9697. Number still works. Trust me, I checked. I called today, so the number's still good. I see me right there. But yeah, he here getting down, y'all. Old schools, new schools, insurance claims, whatever y'all need. Holla at your boy, man. Legs get you right. How long you been in business?
Been out here about 25, 26 years.
25, 26 years. Yeah, so.
It seems like everything paid for. By the grace of God, you know.
Y'all hear that?
Baby.
Yes, sir. You hear that? Hard work. You know.
Got my hermanos over there, you know.
Yeah. And everybody, nobody standing around. Everybody getting to it.
If I ain't standing around,
That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. You know, he getting straight through it. Like I said, no excuses at all. He ain't got cars in the shop waiting to get out of here. He getting to it. He sent them out the door. You know what I'm saying? Good quality work, reputable guy, and like I said, his shop is very organized, very clean. Takes pride in his shop. You know what I'm saying? His place of work, and he cares about the safety of his employees. And to me that's a big move. You know, that's a real big move. You see him, look, getting to it. This ain't for no show, y'all. This ain't no. I didn't call him up and tell him, hey, I'm on my way, bro. You go ahead and start acting like you working. Like, nah, man, this man works hard. He got his workers working hard. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's helping each other, and to me that's dope. You know what I'm saying? For real. He's not afraid to get his hands dirty, and that's why I respect this guy, man. This a good guy right here, for real. And hey, paint his ass off, man. Dude's you talking about a painter, man. That boy, he don't put out nothing but glass works, man. I'm telling y'all, y'all know how I don't film nothing if it ain't glass works. In this shop, nothing but glass work, man. So you coming out of here, you coming right, man. You coming right with it, and he don't half step nothing, and everything inside the shop is nothing but greatness. So I vouch for that. I seen his rods come out of this mug, boy. They come ready.
Dark side, light this bitch up.
Yes, sir. Getting straight to it. They just got done spraying this rod right here. Dancing, y'all. Straight to it. Y'all see the paint booth over in the corner. They doing it. Can't show y'all too much. We got people cars over there, man, that's coming out. This the captain himself, man. Look at that, all glass work. All glass work. All glass work.
You know, baby.
All glass work, man.
Gotta get it right, gotta have it right. You gotta get it nice and wet.
Yes, sir.
We don't want this lady coming out here shooting up our shop.
Exactly, exactly. All glass work. For those who don't know, this is the owner of this shop. And yes, he is getting his hands dirty.
Number one worker.
Hey, will you hear what I'm saying? Not everybody do that. Not everybody do that. This is the owner of the shop getting his hands dirty, putting in glass work. Look at this, look. Getting down on it, man. You know, for me to come out into a shop like this and see him like that, you know, that's to me that's big motivation, you know. I got high respect for legs for real, man. Look at that. They come ready. This guy, he know what he doing. Yeah. So y'all see the location. Y'all see where we at. Y'all need some work done. Swing up here, holla at your boy. I'm gonna put the number inside the description below, and I'm also gonna put the number on the screen so y'all can see it. Hit your boy up. Y'all need some work done, and we out. Anything you want to say before I close out?
Believe in yourself. Do what you want to do. Don't let nobody tell you can't do it. That's what's up.
Y'all hear it.